It's a good idea to go ahead and get all your seeds together and all your different plants and things that you want to get going for your gardens, and get your little cups with your potting soil and get your seeds in there. Go ahead and get them started now. These tomato vines have been hanging out in here for a while. They're loving the sunshine. But I need to get more growing. These sweet potatoes, you can see some growth on them already. I've put them in the water because I noticed a little growth coming out on some of them. So I went ahead, I stuck them in the water because I really want this growth. I want them to grow. And they're already putting out little roots down in there. It won't be long. That little bit of growth there was just from a few days. But it really won't be long until these things are putting up their sprouts, or whatever you call these things, the little sweet potato vines growing off of the sweet potatoes. So I suggest that we all get busy. We get our plants going, because it won't be long. It won't be long until it's gardening time. And I'm hoping that we can have a huge garden this year.